as I was looking for something that can help me manage projects, because I'm really working on a number of projects at the moment, and I needed something that can help me manage them, know how much I've gone, what I've done, and a lot of things. So I landed on a tool called Trello, and after learning on it, I decided to share this information with you guys. You've been a good audience, and it would be very good of me to share this kind of information with you, because I wouldn't want you guys to go through the hassle I went through while I was looking for this tool. The tools that I'll be mentioning are not only limited to people in tech. Well, you can be some other person who is not into tech, but you're interested in using these tools, because they are literally vital for everyone, though there are those that are specifically for tech people. Anyway, so if you're interested in using these tools, then you can go ahead and learn how to use them. So the very first tool, at least everyone in tech must know how to use, is a cybersecurity tool and data privacy tool. Now, the examples of these tools are like antivirus softwares, password management applications, firewalls, among other tools. Now, these tools will basically help you to manage your security on your computer devices, security on your computer systems, among other things. So these are very vital tools, because like cybersecurity is the beginning of it and everything. You have to protect all your information, and these are the tools that you're supposed to be using in case you want to protect your information. So in case you're interested in using some of these cybersecurity tools, then look out for them, learn how to use them, then you can start on using them. These tools are not limited to organizations or companies or what, because you might feel like a firewall is only limited to an organization, an institution, or a company. Or no, as in they are not basically limited to that. You can as well use these things to protect your personal data. You can use password managers to protect your personal data. I know of people who handle very many accounts, and password managers might be vital for them. Even if you're just handling your personal accounts, as in you have 5+ social media platforms, who is going to remember all those passwords? A password manager would be some vital thing for you to use. So look out for these tools, use them, and they will definitely make your life easy. The other vital tools everyone must know how to use, everyone in tech or you're not in the tech field, are communication and collaboration tools. Now, tools like Microsoft Teams, tools like Google Meet, tools like Zoom are very vital. I believe at least each one of us has interacted with them. As in, we had a 2, 3, 4 years lockdown, and most of us were conducting classes, meetings, and very many other things across these platforms. So if at all you haven't learned how to interact with them, if at all you haven't learned how to create some of these meetings on your own, invite people to come to meetings on these collaboration and communication tools on your own, then this is a sign for you to go and learn how to use them, because they are really vital. Now, think about a moment where you've traveled and you still have to communicate formally to people. You're a manager and you have to communicate to your employees or the people you manage. You'll have to use one of these tools, because it's the easiest way of communication. So make it a point to learn at least one of these. You don't have to learn the Microsoft Teams, you don't have to learn the Google Meet, you don't have to learn other tools. Learn one, and it will be helpful in case you need it. If you're someone in tech, then at least this is a sign for you to learn how to use one of these tools. Now, these are the development or the tools you can use in case you're programming. Tools like Visual Studio, tools like PyCharm, tools like GitHub, and among others. As in, I've not exhausted everything, but at least these are the basic tools you must know how to use. In case you're looking at joining programming, in case you're looking at learning a programming language, then at least you should know how to use one or more of these tools. Now, this is the actual tool that I was looking for and I was able to successfully start using. I was looking for a project management tool. So if you're the kind of person that works on several projects, be it personal or business projects, be it collaboration projects or individual projects, then this is a tool that you must learn how to use. So one tool, of course, I'm going to tell you the only tool that I've been able to use, and this is the tool I was looking for. It's called Trello. This tool will be able to help you organize different projects, different tasks, according to the way you've set your information. So this is one vital tool for project managers. If you're a project manager out here watching me and you've not been using this tool, then this is a sign for you to go to the Play Store or Apple Store and install an application called Trello or any other application that does project management. Away from the project management tools, now you've done everything. You've put your project in Trello, and now you're looking at how you'll be able to accomplish all these projects. You need a productivity tool. So these productivity tools will help you become productive, yes, and be able to accomplish all your tasks. One productivity tool I would tell each one of you to use is the Keep Notes. Now, this is one interesting tool I've used before. It's a Google product. I have a thing for Google products. So it's a Google product, and this tool enables you to make a to-do list. You use the checklist, you list the items. Let's say I'm going to create content. Then after creating content, I'm going to eat. After eating, then maybe I'm going to make a post on my Instagram, then maybe respond to my emails. So I'll list those 4 items. Then maybe when I'm done with creating content, I'll come in a checkbox and tick. So once I've ticked, this tool will cross out that task of me creating content, and it will put it at the bottom of that whole list. And now, as someone who has been working on all this, I will look at the whole list and be like, yeah, I'm done with this. At least if there were 4 items, then when it has crossed out 1, I know that I've left only 3 items. And the good thing about this is that it saves all the information to your Google Drive, so you keep track of the tasks you've been working on previously. Like, you're able to track your productivity because you're able to look at your previous to-do lists and what you've been working on. So it's one tool I would advise each one of us to use. But well, there are very many other productivity tools. So in case you're interested in these tools, you just have to look about them, see a variety, look at their interfaces, like look at those things you always look out for in an application, then choose the best for you, choose the one that suits your preferences, and you'll be telling me these tools really make your work easy. Now, this is another tool for programmers, for anyone who is into programming. One tool we should know how to use is a machine learning and data science tool. An example of tools related to this can be TensorFlow. Well, yeah, it's a Google technology, and it's one essential tool at least you should know how to use. The beauty about this tool is that it will allow people to apply machine learning and data science techniques to solve real-world problems. We have a lot of problems going on, and as long as you can solve them using tech, then you can use TensorFlow to embed machine learning and data science so that you can solve these problems. So if you're a programmer, if you think about working on a project related to machine learning, then please let TensorFlow be among the tools you're going to use. Thank you so much for always watching, and all my videos are shot by Top Notch Media. These guys are really amazing. They do a variety of stuff. They do video editing, they do video shooting, they do lyrical videos, they do a lot of stuff, and you just have to reach out to them and know what they do. You can as well consult them in case you need to know anything about video editing. I'm going to attach their handle in the description, so feel free to reach out to them. Otherwise, let's meet in the next episode. And in case there is something you'd want me to talk about on this channel, of course it has to be tech related. It has to be either among tech communities, tech events, tips, tech careers, or any other thing that evolves around tech and I'm able to do, then you can suggest it. Then you'll just see the content here. You know, I'm always creating content for you guys. Till the next episode.